welcome to another video. And in today's video, I will be showing you a demo of API testing using Postman. And I have written few scripts to test the APIs, and I will walk you through them step by step. So first, I have written a script to check the API status. Specifically, it is written to verify that. The status code is 200 and status is successful. So I have written another script, and uh, which is about the status code is 200, or either in it should be the 201, and this is also the status successful status codes. And I have written these scripts using pm library, and basically its syntax is pm dot test, and then you have to obviously write any test name. Like I have written it as status code is 200 or 201, and after that we have to write its function. And we it's this is also a syntax. We need to add parentheses and obviously followed by an arrow, and this is basically the syntax to write any function in the postman. So basically we are writing our scripts in JavaScript, using JavaScript in the Postman. So this is the syntax to write any scripts, and later, obviously, you have to write any code in the function body to execute this function. And I have used pm library and pm dot expect that parenthesis start and the pm dot response dot code, and to be one of obviously then we will mention 200 or 201 in the brackets, and then we will close it. And this is the one script basically. And obviously I have written too many test cases, too many test scripts to test different things. Like I have written script to test response time, and I have written a script to test header value, and similarly, I have written to test header presence. So basically, if I show you that, for example, if I am hitting this API, and let me show you that the status is 200 and the status name is OK, and the response time is 19 millisecond. So if we want to verify this, and we have to verify, if we want to verify this as automatically, sorry, as because currently we are verifying it manually, like its status code is 200 and its name is OK, and its response time is 19 millisecond. So we want to write its scripts so that all the API process should be automatic, and um, we don't need to verify it manually. And we just hit the send button, and we will verify the test result. And here you can see that all the test functions we have written are passed now. So what I'm telling you about the headers, that we can verify that like content type header is present or not. And if the content type is header is present, then what value it should have basically. So I will write. So basically here you can see that its um, I have written its function to test the header presence, like content type header is present. And then the next, basically the next, I have written another function to test the content type is present, and its value should be application uh, JSON. So this is about the simple scripts. You can say that. And you can even get help from chat gpt to write your test. And over time you will get better at creating efficient and effective tests. Obviously this process needs lots of practice and patience also. And Another script I have written to check the response time. So for example, the query should respond in less than 60 millisecond, and which I already showed it to you. So now let me show you another API, the basically the create student post API. So the test script I have written for this API is used to post a new student record. So as you can see that in the create student request, I have also written the same previous test scripts which we were testing in the get all students API, and but the difference is that in the post API, in the post API we will also test obviously the body of the response. So I have written a test body, I have written a function to test the body of the response. For this purpose I have created a global variable which which name is JSON data, and its type is constant. And you can also uh, give it type to any type of data. You can also create any type of variable, whatever you want, and whatever you need also. So I have created JSON data, and I am getting pm.response.json, and basically I'm getting the response of this API, and I'm storing it into the JSON data. And basically I will use this JSON data into this function, and obviously I can use in any other function because it's a global variable, and I will use in this function also, and I will use this JSON data in this function also. So I will also basically I have written its function already. So let me tap on the send button, and as you can see that this is the body of the response. And we need to verify this that basically this uh, uh, this response this response body is correct or not. And so that's why I have written this data, and pm.expect.json data basically is getting the response. And to be a object, basically this is the object, and this is the number, and this is the matlab, means we have to verify whether the data is a object, number, string, or maybe it's an array. Because as you can see that the courses fields, basically this area is an array, because courses is an array. You can add any uh, courses in this. You can add two courses, three courses, or more than obviously three courses. So basically this is an array, and this is this all data of related to courses are stored in the courses variable. And we can also test its response body values. So as you can see that json data dot id, we will get um, we will get its data by using its names like id, name, age, and gpa, etc. And to be equal to, we will use this syntax to be equal to verify its values, like id to be equal to 5, and name to be equal to, for example, testly, and age to be 24, and gpa to be 3.9, for example. So this is all about the scripts. And I have also created a global variable in this apis. For this purpose I have duplicated this collection, and I will show you that how I have created the global URL. And I have also created some environments. For example, I have created QA environment, UA environment, and dev environment. And we just need to, as you can see here in the previous collection, let me show you. You can see that we are having some URL like HTTP and localhost colon 3000, and we will get the same URL in all the APIs. So um, for that purpose we can obviously change any of the URL, but we need to find an efficient way that we can just update at one place, and all the other places should be updated automatically. For this purpose, we need to create variables. So I have created a global variable. As you can see, the top right corner, tap here, and you can see that I have already created the global URL. So you can create here, and you can write its like any name as your choice, and you will just um, copy paste the URL you want to um, in all or your request. So I have write it here, and I will save it. And then uh, if we check the all the request, we will just place. So as you can see here, we will just replace the URL with this name, with the variable name, and we need to write the variable name in the double curly brackets, and in that way we can obviously uh, we can execute our request successfully. So this is for today, and we will meet in the next video with another topic, and I will show you my progress in another video. So hope to see you soon. Allah Hafiz.